Okay, it's October again, and it's been a year since I bought my S4. And guess what? Well, I've done some things to my S4. I changed the top to red, finally installed a new CCM, and I also ended up fixing the top that it actually goes up and down, and it's working just fine. However, I never even detailed it really. And what I mean by detailing, really, hitting it with the wheel and getting out all the scratches, correction, all that stuff. So what do? It's now October again. And I come across this car on Facebook Marketplace. I thought it was funny. These wheels are horrendous too, by the way. And I know the car. It's my neighbor's car. He lives up the street. He does have a house right across the street where he grew up, but he has another house right up the block where my daughter goes to school. So I see this car all the time. Anyway, I see it on Facebook Marketplace, and it was like 2,500, and then I think he just dropped it. I think he dropped it down to 2 grand. So I'm like, let me go take a look at it. You know what I mean? Like, whatever. So I go up there, and I'm like, okay, it's cool. It needs some work here and there. It's not the cleanest car in the world. It's got low mileage. Well, you be the judge. How about that? Windows aren't working. CCM. Top's not working. CCM. Most likely. I did a VAGCOM scan, but you know what? I didn't even really look at it because I'm like, what does it matter? So there we go. Why does that say 8:30? I should say 9:30. Today's actually 9:30, but whatever. 7. Oh wait, it says 2004. Yeah, maybe it's a dead battery. I don't even know. But no, this thing is running. So 88,000 miles. Funny thing, the other car, bought it with 88,000 miles. Check it out. He said everything that it needed, blah, blah, blah. Radio works. Radio sounds better than my car. I'll tell you that much. Certainly does. Hate the interior, but it is what it is. Top interior looks pretty good. A little dirty, but nothing I can't clean. This one is in 06. Yeah, 06. Quattro. Oh, man. I gotta get this. I've ordered that for my old car. So 3.0 got a big ass oil leak. Oil everywhere. I gotta figure out where that's coming from. And yeah, it was pretty bad. It was smoking. Hold on. Let's see. Let's move this down. But oil is no surprise to you, hopefully, if you own a S4. So you're used to it. Yeah, it's pretty bad, the oil. Actually, I got the thing too far back on the rug, so I'll have to move that up and clean that real quick. Yeah, these tires are pretty toasty, but you know what? I could even get the rims, rather. I could probably get these redone. It's not a big deal. Top is shot, but if you've been following me, you already know I know how to do top. So I'm going to bang this top out real quick. That'll be easy. It'd be like $500 or so. I guess I'll go with the blue again, right? I don't think I should do a black top on this. I think I'd do the blue. And it even comes, which is great, with the shade. Looks like this bag was blue. Yeah, it is blue. That's cool how that matches. Has a spare. Also totally shot. Looking. Has a cap. I didn't even go over the car. I didn't drive the car. I didn't do anything. I just took it. So he was going to sell it to Carvana, and he had it up for 2 grand. Yeah, 3.0. I could get all that out. It's no big deal. For 2 G's. No, I'm sorry. He had it up for 2 G's. This is loose. We'll fix that. That's easy. So I'm like, Ash, how much are they giving you? Just be realistic. How much is it? So he tells me 1,100, and he shows me the thing. That's how much they were offering. I'm like, you know what? I'll give you the 1,100. Look at all these scratches. I'll get that out too. This rim is actually not that bad. Actually, we're missing a cap there. See how many caps we're missing. I think I could find these on Marketplace or something. Cap missing. All right, so there's 1 cap in there. Maybe it's shot 2, but I may need 1 cap or 2. These rims are very bad. Yeah, I'm gonna have to bring these to Carl and Long Island rim and get these done. Have to buff the headlights, throw some yellow fogs, right? Throw my Euro plate on there. We'll be good to go. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, I'll fix this thing. This will be a project. But I'm actually going to sell this one because, you know what, I got no room. I really have no room. And right now I am finishing up this is weird because these are working, but everything else isn't. So I don't know if I need the full CCM. I know a lot of people have had this issue, but I will figure it out. You know what? I'm not afraid. In my life, it's like, hey, I bought tools. I got pretty decent garage. Not the best, but it's somewhat organized, even though it's cramped. And I could definitely fix all these little things myself and give it a good home. Or else, I don't know. Maybe I'll give it to somebody. I don't know, But I felt like definitely doing something with this car. And see, that's my problem. I'm emotionally attached to these cars in a sense, even though I know all about business and car sales and flips, but I do have a soft spot for these things. I already have this thing that I haven't really gotten to, but I own it. It's here. I've owned this since January. Haven't really done much to it at all. Haven't even really detailed it. I mostly keep it covered. And then I also have the S4s outside right now, which I don't want it to be, you know what I mean? But where am I going to put all these cars? That's the issue. Where will I put them?